Welcome, guys. So we are keep solving a GRE math test. GR 93674. So so we will solve 33 and 34. Okay, so 33. An apple known to have the same weights and lines in a random table, and the probability they have line up in order increasing weights. So basically, this is simple because so basically you can view. Suppose there are n apples, so there are n apples. So you can view each of them has weights 1 to up to n. So basically you have totally you have n factorial permutation, n factorial possibility, but only one of them is in increasing weights. Is 1 to n. So the answer is 1 divided by n factorial. So the answer is C. So 34, base standard Leibniz rule. So basically, all you need to remember is this formula. Suppose you have function f of t, and you integrate the lower integration is a of x, the upper is b of x, and this is basically f b of x, b of x derivative minus f a of x, a prime of x. So this is exponential minus x to the first times 2x. And 6 the derivative of 0 is 0, so this is the answer. The answer is E.